Hey, what is up, guys? So tonight I'm back with another video. Well, it's night at the time I'm recording this. I know you guys would not be watching this in the night right away, but today I'm going to tell you about the new Tesla pickup truck. So Elon Musk just revealed the Tesla pickup truck, and I know this is not what everybody was expecting. Well, it's a good design, but just not what everybody was expecting. But to me, this is like a more military truck to me. It is said that it is bulletproof. It can withstand a lot of damage and all those stuff. It can withstand even a sledgehammer. So I'm guessing this is really a heavy duty um pickup truck. But regardless, it starts at 39,000. You can just round it to 40,000. That's 40,000 US dollars, which is not bad for a pickup truck. Guessing this will have like autopilot and all those top tech features that a Tesla always have. But as I said, this is not what everybody was expecting. At least this is what not what I was expecting. Um, Elon Musk has been talking about this truck from about 2012 of that was about like 7 years ago. 2012 he tweeted about it. No, back in 2013, yeah, 2012 he tweeted about it that would love to make a Tesla truck with a crazy torque and a dynamic air suspension. So I'm guessing this this pickup truck has all those features and all those stuff. So because those are the three things that they talk about in that tweet that he tweeted back in 2012. I'm getting this article from Verge right now. Some of these pictures are also from The Verge and MKBHD. So go check them out for more official news, even though this news is official for me. But yeah, this is the Tesla semi truck. I know a lot of the tech supporters here are really surprised about this truck. I am. I was thinking that it would look more like futuristic and all those stuff, but this is what he's giving us for the first try. And as I said, it looked more military, more than like a futuristic truck that like you see those Teslas and roads these days. They are getting more popular and all that. All you see these days, it look more futuristic. Like once you see a Tesla, you can say, "Wow, that car looks so different from the other cars." Well, this it look different, but it's not something that you would be expecting on the road. I'm guessing maybe it will change the style, and then next thing you know, Toyota start making their pickup trucks like these. Nissan start making their pickup truck. Also, Ram start making their pickup truck looking like these. So maybe he didn't go for that traditional look. He want to be like a trendsetter. But to me, this look like just a military truck, and I find that kind of ridiculous. I know a lot of tech supporters are gonna say they were surprised about this design because there were a lot of design online showing renders and how it would look and all those stuff, and it's nowhere near this. The renders online were like some futuristic thing, and all those, as you can see on screen, MKBHG saying Cybertruck. Elon, please explain. So you can see he's kind of surprised right there, like he wasn't expecting a design like that, and I wasn't expecting it, and I'm very excited to see what MKBHE have to say about this pickup truck right here. But for now, I'm just giving you guys an update on the price, and this is how it look. The image that you see on your screen now is exactly how it look, and you can see Elon Musk was the one who announced it. Seemed like he was the one who announced the semi truck. To be honest, the semi truck looked way better than this. It looked like the semi truck have a better design, a more futuristic design. But as I said, Elon Musk is a trendsetter, and I'm guessing he's setting a trend. And you may not know, maybe next year you see Toyota start making their trucks like these, their Nissan like these, um, and as I said, Ram maybe start making their vehicles like these. I'm guessing this will have self-driving, but for now, we know that it's bulletproof. And as you can see in one of these images right here, you see like they actually try to test that bulletproof because they said apparently it is bulletproof. Um, But you can see it's a big truck also. You can see Elon Musk standing beside it. It's a really big truck, and I'm guessing it should give you a comfortable ride with those air suspension and all those. I'm not sure if it have the suspension. We haven't seen a picture of it, like the back, or the how big is the back is, like what he can bring in the back. But for now, it look really souped up. It looked like a chrome. It looked like something that you would go to war with, not to drive, to go to work with or something like that. It looked like a really tough, durable vehicle. And I personally would buy it. As you can see on screen, you see like they test the the bulletproof screen, and you see Elon Musk just displaying, and a lot of media is there, and MKBH is there, as I said, and I'm looking out for his video tomorrow. I'll be watching it, and I know you'll be surprised, and you will say that's not what he think, and I just can't wait to see that video. But for now, these are my first impressions on it. I don't know if the public will, on the other tech guys would say they like this design, but me, I like the design, but it wasn't what I was expecting. I was expecting something more futuristic, as I said, and something closer to those renders, because Tesla has been going with that futuristic look for years now. Even the Roadster is gonna look that futuristic. Even the Cybertruck is looking futuristic. So I'm guessing there's as Elon Musk said in the past that this will be his best thing that he worked on in Tesla. So I'm guessing he did have a lot of fun over the 7 years that he's been working on it. He did add a lot of fun, and I'm guessing he's proud of this design, and this is what he's gonna sell. But don't get me wrong, people are gonna buy it, because if I have the money, I will buy it right away. I'll be pre-ordering right now. $40,000 gone, easy breeze. 6 months later, I'll be rolling up. Maybe police will be pulling me over and saying, "Hey, that truck can't drive on this road. That's not a that's not a what? That's not a regular vehicle that should be driving in the military, in the Middle East, fighting wars and stuff." Like, just imagine Shozer standing up beside this. I bet he can donate some of these to the U.S. military, and they will be much appreciated. Imagine going to war with those self-driving, like, hey, turn on autopilot, take me through this battlefield or whatever, or obstacle avoiding or missile avoiding. What if that's a feature? I won't be surprised if he put that in an update to like avoid missiles, because this Tesla truck is just, it just don't look like a regular vehicle that you will see on the road. And as I said, don't get me wrong, this could be a trend, this could be the next trend that everybody will start to follow. But until then, this is gonna be a very hard look to get used to. But that's how the world is. When they came out with touchscreen phone, it take a while for people to get used to. No, people are looking on button phones away. If you have a button on your phone, people looking you away and all those stuff. Now we're getting bezel-less and all those stuff. But as I said, this video was just my first impression. This is my impression. I don't know if this is gonna be the rest of the world impressions, but I'm guessing a lot of people are not like, they are saying that that wasn't that what I was expecting. But I'm guessing, I don't know when it's gonna launch and be fully ready to pre-order. But for now, it's starting at $40,000, 39,000 and some change to be exact, as you can see on the screen. But until then, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you reach this far in the video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, because a lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. So make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Oh, make sure you subscribe, because a lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. And I hope to see the best in this pickup truck. I hope to see some sick software updates and all those stuff. Thank you guys for watching. As I said, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Just make sure you subscribe. Yep, I'm still here. make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.